While walking in the woods, it is not unusual to hear the pileated woodpecker's loud call or the sound of it chiseling a tree trunk before you see it. Its call sounds almost like monkeys in the woods. If you hear a pileated woodpecker, take a moment and look for one of Sligo's unique creatures. The pileated woodpecker, or as some pronounce it, pileated woodpecker, is Sligo's largest woodpecker. Its dramatic red triangle crest makes it easy to identify. The dramatic plumage, when seen from below during flight, also helps with identification. Pileated woodpeckers are common along Sligo Creek. Because they are non-migratory, they can be seen year-round. The bird requires large, dead, standing trees or fallen tree trunks. If you are observant, you will see evidence of where pileated woodpeckers have been drilling and chiseling into tree trunks, looking for carpenter ants and other insects to eat. The woodpecker's long bill is designed to dig into wood. Pileated woodpeckers drill large holes in trees for their cavity nest. The woodpecker uses this nest once, but they are important because other creatures will reuse them for their nest. One of the more interesting adaptations of the pileated woodpecker is the tongue. When the woodpecker drills into the tree wood, the woodpecker's uniquely adapted tongue is used to catch a meal. The tongue is within a tough, bony sheath. The tongue shoots out of the beak and the bony sheath like a harpoon into the hole drilled into the wood of the tree. The tongue is coated with a sticky fluid, and it has a barbed tip at the end, making it very effective in catching and pulling out the carpenter ants, wood-boring beetle larvae, and other bugs. There are different theories on how woodpeckers protect their brains while pecking at high speed. One theory is that a woodpecker's long tongue, which wraps around its skull, helps to protect and stabilize its brain while it is hammering away at a tree with its beak. Other possible factors are powerful neck muscles and a very small amount of cerebrospinal fluid surrounding a small, lightweight brain. These may combine to protect the woodpecker's brain while it hammers away with a force that would cause concussions and brain damage in humans. The next time you are in the woods, look and listen for this fascinating creature. If you enjoyed watching this video and want to learn more about the Sligo Creek watershed, subscribe to our channel.